Fellow people of the Southern Cameroon territories, fellow Ambazonians at home and abroad, wanna be welcome once more for the No Conny Talk Show, an advocacy platform for the advocate for the independence and freedom for the people and for the British Southern Cameroon territory, now Ambazonia. For this show, we talk now the truth and nothing but the truth. So I wanna be welcome. As you know very well, if you don't watch me, I've been a Capo Daniel, since past King, the Deputy Defense Chief for the Ambazonia Defense Forces there. So I'll be very sorry for people that waited to watch on ACN, the Ambazonian Communication Network, say they would not interrupt the current show where we go on when a rebroadcast of the speech of the leader of our liberation, Dr. Cho Ayaba. The rebroadcast it will continue immediately after the show is finished. So I want to salute all man and for thank you for welcoming me inside on the house them. For those who did watch me for Kwakwa, the one that did watch me for Kumba, the one that did watch me for Victoria, the one that did watch me for Alabukang, the one that did watch me for inside Yellow, and across our national territory. I want to salute una and for thank you for welcoming inside on the house. And the same time where the show will go on, our Ambazonian people they plenty for diaspora and the one of Ground Zero. We're going to do the show live on Facebook as well. So if you want to watch me for Ground Zero on a screen, me gonna know the worry when I turn at the talk like say some person there from my corner. No, our brother the way they for inside diaspora for social media. I will communicate with them the same time while they talk for now. So all man be highly welcome for this show. On a show we talk the truth and nothing but the truth. For bring on a news update and critical analysis inside the Ambazonian struggle for make us say me gonna know which way it happened, and we also hold our leader them to account for this show. For make sure say me go investigate, see the thing where they talk I'm not true, and the promises where they give the Ambazonian people them it be attainable, so that me gonna the wait now for something way if it happen, no be say me gonna the wait now for two if it happen. We'll get an incoming call, so I go pick them up. Yeah, PS. I'm live.
Yeah, bro. Oh, sorry.
Okay. So all na be welcome once more. Usually for this show, we play one music. We will take and for welcome all man. All man way to watch me live. I will play that music now. While we welcome all man way to watch me live, and the music, not the same music we done play last time. But today we'll get a rich program for Gia and for Una. Our program will come out right from the incident where inside Guzang. salute all now for Ground Zero. Ran join me at the sea Frisia Praise. Salute you, my dear Biko Khan, as well the online live on Facebook. Julius Supo, the online live as well. So I don't want to take time for salute all now. They make a media show. It be interactive all across the world. Our ambassador picking a day they watch me live. I see Ben Wills, a powerful scripter, and Caro and Wetang is the online. For people them for America, them they online. Also the one that for Europe, them they online. I salute all now ran join me live. Good for Ground Zero and the one that for social media. Gonna come good for the No Connie Talk Show. Nino Brownie is the online also. I give a salute. Today our show will go very long. I think maybe about 1 hour 30-minute show. We will try to cut them as possible. But the show today it will focus about the issue where it happened for Insa Gozang. We will bring an update around our national territory. And the audio then for La Republique is still be. I never get time for release them, but I'll release them all. So all na be welcome. I see Gwela Day online as well as salute una all. Una welcome to the No Connie Talk Show. So, ladies and gentlemen, may we go now directly inside our presentation for today. Today, now number 26 day for the month of November 2020, and on the watch now the No Connie Talk Show. We will take una directly inside our presentation for today. Ladies and gentlemen, once more, una welcome for the No Connie Talk Show. Na me, una host, Capo Daniel, Sense Pass King, Lukong, una champion, una own countryman, I don't come again once more. For can give una update them way they happen for inside Ambazonia, for tell una the truth and nothing but the truth, because the truth it be very, very important. And we don't get a track record for be honest. We don't work with all groups them for this struggle. And our team will be dedicated for serving the Ambazonian people for attain their goal of independence and total freedom for La Republique du Cameroon. For my opening statement, I want to talk for the Ambazonian people, especially the one that for home and the one way they live abroad. If you don't be person, if you don't be a Pekin for Ambazonia, where you don't test suffer, you don't try, you don't dig am like granite, we no day. Your parents don't try for make end in meat, we no day. What are the part them way they be done work for the franchise administration? Time will be see day for Southern Cameroon. Time for retirement. Even for get retirement benefit, they need to travel go for Yaoundé. They go stand for long line. Bulu Beti picking them from inside the office, they go force them meet and talk French. Even their small pension for commot, they need for bribe. They need for loss like 50% for their pension, for get money, when at themselves they run worker. They run turn the army, the police, into Njong Masi work. Salary self, you know we take care for two picking them. The country don't be in a one way. Corruption, it don't be a normal practice. A very, very bad example. La Republique du Cameroon, all their bad things them, with their own parliamentarian, they call and say them being a virus. They are inject them deep into our system for Ambazonia. If you been a person who don't go through the SDF election, who wanna go attend rally them, fight for democracy for inside La Republique du Cameroon. Vote massively. All man come out register. Vote for John Frundi for be president of La Republique du Cameroon. Then thief the election from 1992. 1996. They ran thief am 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. And there is nothing you can do about it. You are hopeless. You are powerless. You go for police station. There is nothing you can do. There is no justice. You go for court. There is no justice. If you don't feel that frustration, you write a NAM or you're picking a write a NAM, they no fit pass. Whether you dig them how, you no fit succeed. Small money wey for market, even for sell for market no dey because all my way get money, they run transfer am send am for Yaoundé. So that make them go begin boost the economic for Yaoundé. They pay rent for the Bulu Beti people them. Make the economy grow. Now an example, now treatment that for slaves. Now slave treatment that. While picking they graduate for university. They no get no opportunity, no chance at all. 95% of the need for travel abroad for them for be able for meet up only the minimum standard for help their own siblings and make them go through school. For go school again and for come out travel abroad. You even buy motor for abroad, you want say you buy motor for 1 million, you want say back for go move on for day. The money they go charge you for tax, it pass 2 times the money we buy the motor. Extortion, outright stealing. They rob you. You travel even for abroad, you go enter for Douala or you're on the airport. They treat you like a slave, force you to talk French because you no belong. You no belong. That is not our country. If you don't go through all those strange feelings, them, all those disappointment, them, and you are powerless, it's because you are in another man's parlor. When you enter man's house and tell you say me you don't feel comfortable, feel at home. Feel at home no mean say you be at home. Our country is under occupation. All the injustice we don't weigh down on our soul. Like this of a Pikino when I say of Makona. It broke concrete for Nigeria. It don't run the country because La Republic they don't drive we from our country. Before we been indirectly, now not directly. Pikin for 4 months old, 4 years old, it broke concrete for Nigeria. For help your own family, meet and get some thing for chop. So one day say we will remain inside La Republic, we will remain inside this condition. No. We cannot remain like that. For all our life, for other generations that will come inside, we cannot remain like that. We cannot accept to continue this slavery. We cannot accept the peace of a graveyard. We cannot accept to be with La Republique du Cameroon and remain a conquered people forever. This is an existential threat. We need to fight and fight and fight until independence is attained, freedom is attained, no matter how long it takes. That was my opening statement. So we will start before one start. We will also get inside the Gozang incident. I will give on an update. I will also play on an audio the way it come from our general there for ground. Maybe we know exactly what will happen for Gozang. That one it will be in a while. But as usual, we will always start with the comedy section to try to highlight the type of country way some people that they want to make we go enter with them inside say La Republique du Cameroon. Jesus Christ. La Republique du Cameroon, na comedy country. When I see the country where they can take over our country, they no first get road for their own villages. Na a shame, na a disgrace for Africa, La Republique du Cameroon. Despite all the money where they don't suck from Amazonia, petrol money, CDC money, they no fit develop their own country. I'll show us just a small video. And when I hear say Maradona ran die, would you see cry they die for Maradona? Maradona na one of the greatest football legends. I'll put Maradona, Diego Maradona a picture before I take when I go for La Republique because it be tied to the comedy section as well. So they celebrate the life of Diego Maradona, who then died unfortunately at the age of 60. Now a very wonderful man. He don't go through a lot of difficulties in a personal life. It also show we say people the way them be celebrities and all those big names them. Now human being them after all. Diego Maradona and a man we make and we love football. He make if football be universal, you love the act of football itself. And if you play for I think Napoli for Italy. He played for Napoli. He single-handedly carried that team. He take the league for Italy, and that it really bring a lot of joy because if you be support Maradona a team, no matter which team way they play, and because he always play with fairness, he play with style, and he was the best player. I think Lionel Messi is a close we have had from Argentina ever since, and he done bring a lot of football lover them for love football, come to love football. So in that light, we will take one for the comedy for inside La Republic to Cameroon. We will get video images for one of the Cameroon player where he be play for 1990 World Cup 1990 for Italy against Argentina against Maradona. One of those indomitable lions and where they be make Argentina cry. When I know say football, the Cameroon national team, it don't give pride for the whole Africa. Still yet, the country, it don't treat the players them like shit. For sure, when I say that country, not be a country, not be a people, not be normal people them. Not be a people if you associate with them. All the glory where that team it don't give for black people them and Africa them. The way they don't treat them for their own country, they show and I say, this country is hell. It's pure hell. My play on the video where that emerge of one of the Lions team, Lions Indomptable, of their player where don't turn now a street beggar, a homeless person. They call him a Joao Onana. Joao Onana, I think he's been a defender, he's been a defensive player for Eastern Republic of Cameroon. I bring up the video, make una see him. So in a video, this orangutan.
Qui est ce monsieur? Mon frère, qui est ce monsieur? Oui, pourquoi est-ce qu'il est là? Il a abandonné depuis des mois, des centaines de mois même. Il est là depuis. Oui. Pourquoi est-ce qu'on l'abandonne là?
Ah, on ne sait pas, c'est ça, c'est qui sait pourquoi. Quand on parlait, nous insulte de tout et de rien. Moi-même, insulté parce que nous regardons que je suis pas là. Que je suis pas limité, je suis pas encore là.
Donc c'est un ancien sportif?
Oui, de là, un autre, capitaine même.
Moi, je suis un entraîneur national de karaté au Cameroun. Et j'ai mal quand on abandonne les sportifs ici. Que pensez-vous qu'on peut faire pour lui?
Là où il est là, sa santé ne va pas. Il a un problème, un sérieux problème de santé.
Oui.
So now Joao Onana that if he don't even be almost the captain, I think, for the national team for La Republique du Cameroon. Now player that way don't give joy for the whole that nation, including Amazonia, the whole Africa as a matter of fact. Joao Onana. Now he that when I see it on the street, they coach people that anyhow they want laughy. Now the glory that's on La Republic that. Now the shit whole country that. Some people they go imagine say me will go be with this type of people. It nobody even stay where they get coup de cœur. Wait till they come and say coup de cœur for inside Yaoundé. Say me they don't promise they be making for this team. Since 1990 say they go be all them house, they go buy them motor. See today they never give. Now the promise when Nigerian government that time the president of Nigeria, he be give promise for this team. Say they go he will give supply them one motor. That people that receive that promise for Nigeria, so they use that motor, it don't finish. La Republique, the house where they be promised them, say they will be like all the players that don't die. It never make up to 2 months ago. Where Stephen Tato he died. Then gave meeting talk say they don't give all these players them football, they don't give them house. They already give them house. Then show so why they don't give them key. When I see say these people, they not lie people them. Now liars. They didn't lie suited for them. That means they didn't lie suited, they believe they are lie. There is no credibility in La Republique. There is nothing that they can promise you and you can believe in. There is nothing you can count on from La Republique. Now a hopeless situation. The only hope for Amazonia now for come out for this country, for not get anything to do with La République du Cameroon at all. We need to abandon this country at all costs. If it be possible, for even build a war between our country and La République du Cameroon. Even for the northern part of La République du Cameroon. For instance, Maroua. Na bridges for Maroua. Na bridges where they those bilam. They don't collect money for international community, borrow loan for go build the bridge. For go build bridge like this for Maroua. 2 months after they build that bridge, na bridge that don't collapse. If you now look and very well, now see say even the embankment of that bridge, they use now blocks. Even though my own engineer now for filtration, I specialize now for filtration. But any normal man go tell you say the bridge no for last long. Now the bridge that don't collapse. It is shown at the state for La République du Cameroon. They don't become now a laughing stock. Now do this when I see. Now do this for La République inside Ambazonia. They sleep for bar. Sleep for bar. Up up. Oh, up say I'm not do that. I'm not do that. Shit whole country. Some man go feel imagine. Say make we the Wakanda of Africa, the first democratic people of Africa. Say we go stay with these people then. No. We cannot. Lie to lie, we cannot. They then become a laughing stock. La République then become a laughing stock for the world. Now video this for Nigerian politician them. How did they make fun of the so-called Cameroon? Then be now a quote for fun. Make her bring up the video. Nigerian politician they look Cameroon like a source for mockery. A source of mockery. The video will not be available. Sorry for technical difficulties. But I think say most people that don't watch those videos for social media. Now the country this. Now the shithole country this. They carry chop tray and sardine and bread. With their petite then fight on top. Sardine and bread. They are reduce human dignity to nothing. Absolutely nothing. A failed state, a failed country. We are ashamed. We don't know who sack funja then carry we go put it for this. The balok with La République du Cameroon. Before I go take one for explain on way to it happen for Guzang. I think the images that they come around. I know we'll share the images them, but I believe so. I will get them for WhatsApp. One of the things that happened for inside La République this past month, we will be done talking last time. We will be done showing the images them for the Bamileke woman the way them protest for Maurice Kamto for inside Yaoundé. When I watch that picture of a Bamileke woman and this. Bamileke the one do their own takambang inside Yaoundé. They don't come out say the one protesting me La République release Maurice Kamto from how did they call him? House detention. Now the Bamileke woman and this they don't go protest for inside Yaoundé, capital of La République, for demand say me poor beer the mad dog for La République make it release Maurice Kamto. Now here with the woman they don't gather say me them protest. Then catch all the woman them. Go put them for inside police station. Time for release all the woman them. They realize and say inside this woman them, one so-called Anglophone day for day, where they call the woman Madame Awasom, Mispa, Madame Awasom Mispa. Then discover and say one Ambazonian, one enemy dans la maison, Madame Awasom. Now document that they release all the woman them. They hold that one because in the Anglophone. Now document that they don't put for court. They don't put for court. Now that they release them all. Hold the only one Ambazonian way be there among them. Where they call a mama and want some priska. If you go for them for go do it. For go join Maurice Kamto people them for fight for their own country. We run the tell Ambazonia them time and time again. Cameroon is not your country. You not be welcome for day. You been an enemy dans la maison. You been at the 2 cube sugar. We run here testimony after testimony on how these people them they hate we, how these people them they see we like an inconvenient, how they treat we like second class citizens. There is no way for any normal human being where get a sense of dignity for beginning to try to project itself like even a member for that country. No, you're not a citizen. No matter how they play the pretense. At the end of the day, you know say you are not a citizen when you there for La Republic. Now whether they treat you the way they treat you, now whether they force you, even our own journalists, the one way they for that Cameroon calling where they go to even criticize Ambazonia. Small army people the way they never even go to school, they holy people down. Say must talk in French. All that type of treatment, even Cardinal Tumi, they need to respect them. Because you are a colonized people. Even if you don't know, you are a colonized people. And they get communication with our people, for inside military, where they call it right for Norway, they work with La Republic. For beg we say, Capo, we're gonna fight. We therefore on our back, we're gonna fight for our freedom. Because themselves inside our military, they see maltreat and they see discriminate against them. Our people, the way they for inside ministry, they work for La Republic. They need to pretend say that they support Maurice Kamto. So that they see them like normal people. They pretend. So when they know they be forced for whether their lions close. For go around Yaoundé so that make them be accepted. No. Improper fraction. Will not fit join with this to do an syncretism. Joining two things that cannot join together. Anglophone and Francophone, Southern Cameroon and La Republic, we cannot, it is not compatible. We cannot join together with these people. Now time for we to abandon this failed experiment and fall back for a country where we feel call them our own. A country not truly our own. So we don't see even for PWD Bamenda, where all man they talk say people that they die, war they go on, when they go play now which kind of football for La Republic. Now which kind of football for La Republic when they go play with somebody. We don't see where they give a play for the app because now they win. PWD win the so-called Cameroon Championship. Guess what? The championship where they win them for last year. Till now, the president for the club, Pascal Bonde give interview. Talks say the package, the financial package for winning the Cameroon Championship, they never even pay them. That means the people there they even win the championship for Cameroon. They never even pay them. They don't get money for go pay hotel. Because now they play na international football now. PWD. Anglophone team. They go pay on a subsidy. Mr. Bonde Pascal. They go pay on a subsidy. Now go play for inside Limbe. For inside Victoria. Where war they go on. They see treat una this type of way. Una need to see am. Una no get pride. Una no get shame. Are they like hello? Call me back later, Beck. Are they live on? Are they live now? So now the thing in that way they go on for La Republic. But before I want to take one for this Gozang issue, I need for trash this small issue the way they go on for Insta La Republic. Me gonna see am. For Insta La Republic, for Insta Boya. Light nobody for Boya now for 2 months. I mean inside Boya our capital. When we they produce petrol, they send our petrol for be able to run their country. Inside our capital city. For Boya light nobody for inside 2 months. We see people that they protest for inside Boya. People that come around for Moliko, for Ndongo area they for Limbe Kwata. They protest. Say light nobody for 2 months. Inside Boya. Then some chief they go come out for La Republic. Say they want to join La Republic. Una want to join protest to end the so-called Anglophone crisis. Now live this, inside capital now live this. People they protest. When I hear around the year for abroad, 17 years, and nobody ever hear say light they go off. People them across the world, they don't know say light. People they feel live, people they see exist for 21st century without light. You recall every day, even for hospital, light they. At least for Nigeria, light they go off, but all man get generator. They don't make us say generator then be available for all man. For La Republic Day, you want buy the generator, only tax you, they go tax you, they go first install you. You go buy generator, even if for 100,000 for abroad. You go down there, you go pay tax for 200,000. Stealing, slavery. Now boy this. Tomorrow some fool them, some idiot them. They will can't stand say they want it for La Republic, say achieve them. They want to go make election with La Republic. Now boy this 2 months. Protesters they don't come up for Moliko, for Ndongo, Limbe Kwata. They protest. Protest for light. If I talk to myself, for here we picking and they go laugh. Say protest with a light no day. 2 months. How people they live? All thing for free and spoil. We nobody ever suffer this type of problem. Even for a time under Southern Cameroon, we nobody don't suffer this type of problem. Very, very bad. So another issue before I want to take unana for amber to amber. But before I take unana for amber to amber, I want to start a new segment. I will come for the people that send me message. We will talk about the Gozang issue. I will come for it very shortly. May I reply this message, please? So now a new segment in Ankambody for the No Connie Talk Show. When are the segment for Sense Pass King? Sense Pass King it enter inside Sense Pass King na enter. Ma welcome Sense Pass King segment. Sense Pass King segment in come. Wait, my Bluetooth don't go off. May we welcome the new segment for inside the No Connie Talk Show. When a Sense Pass King segment now for debunk the fake audio the way they go around. So may we welcome no other person but our Sense Pass King. Mitolo ngombe. Ewa. Everybody pick and go. So now welcome Sense Pass King. It don't come finally for the No Connie Talk Show. Sense Pass King, it go to help with for debunk all the fake audio them way they for out there. The latest one we done come out, the commander the one for Gozang. With some fighter they don't go touch honey. They cry now say ADF for Gozang, ADF for Gozang. Gozang fake audios. I will talk one about Gozang. But maybe we first finish with Sense Pass King in debunking. The first audio we have done here and before. Now the one way the so-called Presido is done for inside Nigeria for ground one. It make audio is saying and say ADF dan can attack the so-called restoration forces for inside Mbeme. Mbeme na for inside I think na for Moyo na for Manu. The great state of Manu. Is it make inside the audio?
That problem I get to climb there. I get to climb. I don't make arrange myself for myself for reach to Mbeme. ADF don't worry Mbeme, don't worry Mbeme, they worry Mbeme, that Mbeme zone.
So this fake audio, President talk say ADF the worry Mbeme. Say ADF they can't attack from Mbeme. where ADF the car attack na La Republic. But they make fake audio them, the send them for us. I say ADF, that can attack them for Isa Mbeme. When I hear
ADF, the worry. I don't even call big number. I call it out, tell me, on a simple need they walk rough walk, they go drive all my walk rough walk. I say, Master, big number,
so
wait first.
the audio,
Man, to know what happen for that place. That fight for them too much. I don't make that picking from Bemena. I mean, say shooting them Bemena yesterday today. I'll be forward.
so it even talk the claim say shooting the go on as it talk so between ADF and the forces them for instance Mbeme, it go send audio, it go. But later on, our forces then confront he. Ma play the audio. Our forces then confront he.
Look like Mr. Alabokam. When I tell you if they be ready,
Oh, so the man no play wrong audio then. Was so that they don't confront he. He talk the truth. When I sorry, I'll get time for look the audio. But I don't play the audio. How we was Sumanguru then confront he. He start begin talk say no. Hey, it been at this one, it been at that one, it been at that one. Lies. All lies. All lies. Fake audios. So other one now come out where they don't say na for now with they don't go join na Kunda titles them. This my country people where they work for La Republic. No be me my country people. Hey me una countryman. My country people they work with La Republic. They don't begin make some other fake audio. The talker ADF idanka attack for inside they don't arrest some fighter them. Una know they don't put a video out about the Momo Marines. Then the guy that don't come out go join na Kunda titles La Republic agent. The one way he disguise self the pretend say be Kunda titles his brother. Ma put up a video, a picture me gonna see him. He go put this the incident for Gozang inside proper perspective actually. Now I picture this, I think so I know the guy. Okay. The one na Kunda titles his brother. I was na see here. Na either with Blinky. Blinky na small brother for Commando. Commando way na a force be the TTA. TTA na Commando a force way dey for inside Gozang, for inside Batibo. Na one of the force then that way dey for inside Momo. Wey they call itself say King Commando. We respect you, we respect them, we run the discuss with them. To try to make sure say me them work together or collaborate or at least avoid conflict between the two groups. Na thing that we run the do am. But for sure now, not be only say this group it and they collect money for La Republic. When I remember how band and Bidan talker that they give them millions them. Me then try to fight and to put ADF down so that election they go fit go on. When I hear their own forces them inside Gozang, they don't testify for the same thing. Now when I hear my play on an audio, now audio this with the same people, they don't go join now Kunda titles. The so-called Momo Marine way the ranker can join ADF. They never first go through vetting. I must tell you now the truth. The Momo Marine never even go through vetting. I don't even know what and when they even take the ADF out. But some video that come out outside, I'm not sure say Momo Marine don't join ADF according to me. Because I'm a council member, I be a member of the War Council. No man never present the ADF. But they be send me that video. Now our coordinator of Ground Zero will send the video. Say Momo Marine don't join ADF. We don't put the video for outside. Then Kunda titles. Because for me now the real Kunda titles this. I play the video, the audio, where that send for outside, make una hear before una hear which way they go down for Gozang. Una go fit join, connect the knots, connect the dots. So now this, now the audio this.
Baba, stop crying like a crying baby. After challenging you, there is Momo Marine. You want to deceive young boys to go and start doing videos as well.
So now the Kunda titles, this is the talk. Now this is the talk about the so-called forces them way for Momo Marine way they don't can play, they don't make videos, say they don't join the ADF. Now the talk about them.
Baba, stop crying. Stop.
So inside this audio, the talk say the Rambina na
Commando come again, we will kill you, we will pick it up for them. send that a family again, we go second time, say one try commando. We'll just pick it, keep am for down, just pick it so small, small, no kill you. I know some people they kill any fighter anyway. We just pick it, keep am for down. Then make they come up from any angle come. Nonsense. Now manipulation of those fighters, it don't end. No individual cannot manipulate a fighter anymore. You know, Marine don't meet you. You don't go now go start deceive them again. Go deceive boy. It's not even remember the boy.
So, me gonna understand what way they happen for Ground Zero. The Momo Marines them, they don't make video, say they don't join ADF. As a matter of fact, they are not ADF. Momo Marine is not ADF. Because for being an ADF soldier, you need to pledge allegiance to the flag and the country. And you need to take the ADF code, the oath, for promise say you will live by our code of conduct and for follow our command leadership as we fight for the Ambazonian people. So Momo Marine, that a video I publish him. He never see be accepted as a member of the ADF, but they don't talk to them being an ADF, they want to be for ADF. So according to it, where it happened, apparently after they make that video, Commando, this is TTA, then go catch the people the way they make that video, go down with their cam, would yesterday they torture them, whatever they happen, would I say some of the that run. I don't know whether that's true or not. I know first gave me time for first investigate them because we'll be busy for do other things. So now then this now the same Commando is picking in this. Now it is now blinky that he and Konda Titus. When I first see how they take money for La Republic, not be saying me I talk am. I will play the audio them here, but I don't get time for beginning to repeat myself a lot. What people they need for mature, for digest information. I know say La Republic their agent they work hard for manipulate people them. Bring fake audio, fake story them, but I believe say the Ambazonian people they don't be mature enough now why they will ask independence. So I know waste my time for beginning go back to play all those audio them. But nevertheless, now wait till that it happened. Last time we fight with La Republic, the same thing happened. Faisa Momo, one of our forces them, where they don't struggle, they run against La Republic where they fight. He can find himself for inside Gozang. They run go call this TCA them. They can't catch it. Now picture this. Now the boy this. Now the fighter that. Now picture this way they don't catch it for the. I put the other picture. Now the fighter this, now the ADF this. Then catch it. Became make fake audio then say na La Republic na Cameroon army. Say na Cameroon military. Then take gun, shoot that pikin for a foot. Now ADF soldier that. Then shoot that pikin for a foot. Say na Cameroon military. Now na daddy and Blinky they don't keep it for there for long. Guess what? ADF don't tell us that pikin na just boy way and volunteer for fight with we. Would the fight na against La Republic gonna talk for the pikin? Then the same people that I'm being called for ask ransom, they call me for ask ransom. Some will pay 1 million CFA before they go release that pikin. Ambazonian forces kidnapping another Ambazonian forces, asking for ransom. Somebody talks say the one no be Konda Titus. Who tell you say no be Konda Titus? Now manipulation. They the one disguise themselves. Whether na Konda Titus is brother or not, na Konda na Konda. They say when he speak like a duck, he back like a duck is a duck. The guy be don't come fufu. We say he work now with La Ambazonia. I bring in inside my chat group them. You know, make up to 2 days. I kick it out. So because we already see inconsistency them, and I'm a very suspicious person. Now we see now here and TTA. They claim say the work now Siseko group. And I have talk some of those Siseko put over prison. They don't start cry, then I cry. They need to come out, can't speak and dissociate themselves for this scam way they go on. They need to dissociate themselves with this scam. So now the thing this way it happened for Ground Zero. So today, what way it happened, I say, for the past 3 days, the ADF then became fight for inside For the past 3 days, the ADF done the fight with La République du Cameroun. They beat them when they around that side for Ambu. Those that La République forces them, they don't try to penetrate for inside Kugwe because they don't hear for social media how ADF did for inside Meme, Manfi, they don't go right for inside Manu. So then facing an opportunity for them to attack Kugwe. As La République do attack Kugwe, I'll even play some of those audio them. Not audio will release them. Who ambush one of their vehicle them inside that attack. I play the audio them from that attack. So this La République de Cameroon, their unit, not be the special unit where they go around for attack our forces them. But this one, now the unit where they for inside Kugwe. I play the audio.
Okay. Fuck all of you! Go. Full time. Is that Jamestown?
So now part of the audio then that from the report. I know I those releases one from my office without going through our intelligence unit. So maybe they will begin scratch their head if they watch me now. So this is how the whole thing started. ADF then blocked one La République their convoy where they try to penetrate inside Kugwe. They attacked them. According to the report where they get on, they kill about 4 of them. So La République retreat. Since that attack happened, La République them not be their normal their task force the whole the experience the way they go ambush they try for attack area. This one na the base for inside Ambu they come for try for attack Kugwe La République their Ambu camp. So they then begin the fight with our forces them for ground zero. Each side they try for outflank each other for the past 3 days. What did happen now? I say one of our forces them one regiment for our forces them they don't find themselves inside around the area for Gozang. Today na market day for Gozang. So all man for inside village they merge towards Gozang market. News day for Gozang. That means say all man for Gozang know where it happen. They know say it fight even this morning time. The ADF, they see battle La République du Cameroun for inside Gozang from Ashung. They start fight from Ashung right to Gozang. They can't end for some place to Gozang where they call an Atanga for Atanga Kwatade. La République du Cameroun, their forces then they for they now so. Some part of that ADF, their group, then leave that area where they battle with the La République du Cameroun, their forces, then where they run, they follow them. Part of them come for inside Gozang market. For inside Gozang market. For gather some supplies there for day. Then call some people over there, then call this TTA them. Then get the agent for there, then call and say ADF then they for inside market. The TTA guy then they come out the wrong company with then guns. For come face a whole professional military. Unfortunately, again, they can't attack those guys every day. In that attack, they shoot 2 of them. The whole market scatter. Now the TTA, they can open fire. Open fire with them gun. They attack our forces then twice. So 3 of their soldiers, they done died. They done lost 3 of their soldiers then. Unfortunately, which is very regrettable. Because I hate any time an amber to amber situation come out. I hate them. I don't like them. Would always prefer to negotiate, reconcile, and rehabilitate and try to make the other forces them. They realize themselves. Now, who for abroad go full picking them? Me then go feel say their own brother than their enemy. Now, who them for abroad go send picking them? Me then go fight their own brother them. Now, who them for abroad go do that kind of thing? That people they need to work for La République. Would I see the same thing happen for Bui? Where they come, they can catch ADF soldier they will hand. Then put down their weapon them. Well armed, better armed soldier, then put down their weapon. Then catch them, then 23. These infiltrators, ask them, say me then kill them all. Then tell them me then go kill them. Then go kill all the ADF soldiers every day. 23 of them. Agama, all those things them. Not be the first time. We don't say even for Gozang, they catch big number with it, all our weapons and our bombs them. Then pay them, they can't catch them. Infiltrators. Working for La Republic. There are yes who run come for it, was soldiers and they face a market for come buy. Those soldiers come for come buy. Then send boy they can't kill them. They come for the open fire inside market. The open fire with 10 guns. In that exchange, the ADF neutralized 2 of them. Then come out again for day. They go back because they don't feel past that side for Atanga. If you see the map, they don't feel go back for the side for Atanga because La Republic they ran first the fight for with La Republic right from Ashung up to Gozang. La Republic they can't stand for inside Ashung for Atanga for the confront them. They know that the way that they can't use them for go back for the. So then divert their course again. Again, they meet up them this time. The TTA use bomb. Roadside bomb where it's supposed to be used against armor car. They use them against our own forces. From information they get them, the Nancy shoot one of them again. In that exchange, the Nancy shoot one of the TTA. Why did they go fight Lion? Why did they go touch Honey in Nesk? Why now the food is picking them? Now which wicked people are they say Sikot? All this now the food is picking them. Then feel say somehow they go can lie for social media, people they go believe them. We don't even need to lie about this type of thing. You don't lie about this type of things. You don't need to lie about this type of things. Human life is at risk. People are dying. And you now can't lie say ADF go attack. ADF never attacked them. They attacked us twice. As a matter of fact, I play on our audio. Some of the audio them from our so that they report back.
Yeah, Kapo, what is the apple? What?
Kapo na truth in the talk not true. You believe say you know say some Ambazonia will get right for work about any territory for inside Ambazonia. We stand for fight for the independence of this country. We get right now our right for work about our own country. We know one for work and then our own fellow brothers they turn their guns against their own fellow brothers. Any universe, any commando, any Johala and Ahala, they do almost.
So ma play this part.
Now make them. Based on the contact we I travel to my retreat on my way back. Those boys go ambush. Let me can get this the bomb explode motor. They expect for bomb with the garage will call the bomb. The turn motor but the bomb. No even have with Johala and Ahala. They look all man stand the look place. Now I'll make them know the ancestors where Ambazonia difference of the work away. Because no be normal. When I got 1 year power.
So now the year, even our commander for Insa Momo, the talk say no be normal. It no be normal. Even our own commander, no be saying us until you talk say they want for do am. Even our own commander, they talk say it no be normal. Then go even go plan bomb, roadside bomb against our own people.
That they shoot the army, see enter. If you shoot army run. Never inside Gozang Kapo. Don't tell you now. Watch your dog copy. Watch your roster off. Now start with the sun only blood. Because I did the sun only blood. Army enter here only gun army run. Yeah, and they command the military and say they will. They say they get blue cap, again a black cap. when I do Ambazonia, black up for General Efa. You know, that they should
So I think say I no need to play all the audios them, but we'll be very transparent and very accountable. So I release those few audios and make una understand what's really happen for ground. Our forces them for they attack our forces them. The TTA attack the ADF. The ADF have no intention if una the year this one na just report where the soldier they report back for me as they always do for our chain of command. The soldier, even our general, they explain and say this is not normal for other forces them for the attack a sister force who they come from a battle with La Republic, would they try for maneuver ourselves for this guy them for attack we. It is not normal. Even if we get problem with the ADF, why una no wait for time where then they for their place or then they find when go attack the way then they under attack? How? It don't make sense. These people manipulating these kids to turn their guns against our forces is really regrettable. Now the 3 people that died, they go out to cry, they may make all these fake audios them. Very, very sad. I have watched the video coming from Gozang with our women there crying and looking at the dead bodies. Then they are getting all these fake audios coming from abroad. It's very regrettable. The least we can do to our people is to tell them the truth when things like this happen. To be accountable to them. We not be like La Republic for beginning to cover up all this stuff them. So I will still come back for this one and give una some of those videos. But we don't see all these things the way they happen. And it be very regrettable. And at the same things the way it happen, I'll talk about it happen for instance Bamenda. So that make una understand what it happen for instance Bamenda. First, some fake message they way it did circulate for instance Bamenda day where I want to bring up on attention. Might get the picture up. There's a fake message where it be circulated for instance Bamenda, targeting our to send fake information to our population to misguide them. Might put up the message and not be done set up. So now the first fake message this one are calling. If any person for inside the capital city for the Savannah state, it don't receive this message, it talks say the Amazonian Defense Forces them would want collect money for go do barrier for Fonte. They try for even twist the information them. Then put mobile number mobile number they for people that send money. The one they show na say na La Republic they work with these people them. We don't try for track the 2 number them. We discover and say na number the way na people they were inside prison. So now the same prison and the way La Republic continue to use them for manipulate our people there for down Bamenda. Make no man no ever give money for any soldier where he talks say they want go make na barrier for Fonte or whatever, na cry die for whatever. The one are just calling as they call them for ground zero. Na calling. Me all na ignore those type of messages. So I go and address some very pertinent issue as I ran discuss with our mommy them for inside Bamenda day. We ran talk the whole night yesterday about what will happen for inside Taseng. For inside Taseng day for Bamenda. I don't want to talk about address this issue because we don't ever talk about the issue where soldiers they come up for Bafut. Can they worry people them? For inside Bamenda day, especially for the Sabonkwen. We don't try to address them plenty time. The last time if you don't batute, we even call the Wamami them for the one protest, then contact me, we don't talk for the soldier them. They write all their complaint them, we send them for ground zero day, then carry and go for Bafut. All our area then they then gather with the woman them, they make meeting for solve the problem, for make sure say make that kind of thing not happen again. But the same thing it happen. So I need to address them. I will talk directly for the 2-3 general the way they for Bafut way, no be ADF, no they not there under ADF. But our sister forces would consider like sister forces them are very important forces them. When they are picking they do this rough work. They come over Bafut can do them for instance Bamenda. I need to talk them straight. Because I don't promise our people of Bamenda say I must talk them straight. I must take measures them for solve this issue. I don't contact the general there for back, but na a public issue where it need public address for reassure our people. They say this is not the conduct we can allow. Yesterday, some incident happened for Bamenda. Few days ago, as a matter of fact, with this soldier, they come for they can't intimidate civilians, including a church pastor for Presbyterian church. It not be acceptable. All those excesses they need to stop. First of all, I want for appreciate the hard job we A4 they do for inside Bafut. The hard job we General Tiger they do for inside Bafut. The good job we General Ahaji they do too. Even though they don't be controversial. The one no be we need to criticize for condemn, we criticize for bill, because if the sacrifice we will not make them, the death of General Ivor and all the death will not happen. If you go for water, now we done lost. For the sake for our people, them, we bring this issue for now again publicly, as we go address them privately. A4, bring order for your soldier them for Bafut, for your picking them, and no say una no know. Ma talk say this general they no sabi say na their picking they do all these things them for inside Nkwen area day. Ahaji in particular your picking they misbehave. General Tiger, Pa A4, Pa Ahaji, make una bring order for una picking them. Una bring order for una picking them. Me then stop the excesses them for around Kwen for Bamenda. One mami them for they would expect for hear from una. Me stop. Me all those excesses stop where they can't enter do any kind of thing they want to do for inside town go back from Kwende. Me for Bafude. Make it stop. Me all those rough work them me stop. All those rough work them me stop. Una bring order for una calm them. I will talk for una privately, but they talk publicly, so that me the public where they complain me they know so need to hide them and hide them, and will do everything humanly possible for stop them. Yes, dear. We dey live online, you know so now. Yes.
Okay, Papa. You rest. Okay, Papa. All right.
So nothing that it happened for Isa Bamenda. So the first time when the problem will come out, while mami them for Bamenda, I be talking me them make all their complaint in writing. They make written complaint. We submit them for our general for Bamenda Brigade. Then pass them down for una for Bafude, una get meeting. Una think they be calm down for Bamenda, una be try to control the picking them. So A4, if you control picking them, and also if you control them, take control. Take control. So generally maybe they not be aware. More don't talk say they not be aware, but now they be aware. So no one to get that rough work them again where they happen for inside Bamenda. Me stop. So we want to congratulate our forces them for Akwaya. Would I say for Akwaya? They want to be ADF forces them, but the forces them Amazonia pro-independent forces them for Akwaya, in particularly for Mavas. There are repel La République du Cameroun their attack for inside Mavas they for Akwaya. Mavas no say for Akwaya they so you get two areas, you get the forest area and then you get the grass area. They want a very strategic area. They be put up a very good fight for they. They will always support them and for make sure say me them be capable for continue for defend Akwaya. So we want to congratulate our forces them for Akwaya where they don't defend Mavas. Me them continue to do that wonderful job where they do for inside for day. We also want to congratulate the Bui Action Group. Now a very powerful group that way they for inside Bui. They want to remain anonymous the way they and we respect them. We will continue for the support them and encourage them. Me them continue with the wonderful job where they do for inside Bui. They do a marvelous job. But I don't always talk them again. If pop is not over strong, if the bomb they not over strong, make sure say me they know the use them for where we go to waste bomb. We don't see all video them will be happy. We be happy with anytime we wanna attack a Kelebe. But that bomb, if you know about strong, wanna block road with me that people then come out wanna ambush them. I wanna ambush them, make wanna no hurry for run. Because La Republic then too they fear. When gun it bomb, it goes to boom. They start to shoot now because they fear. Nobody say they no place on a day. They want to have a scare on a make una run. So make una not do the two way they want to do them. But make una take una time, una stand up fine. for places una ran protect and find. Empty una gone for their skin before una run. Una make sure una ran take precaution for back up so that una get cover fire when una dey retreat. Make una no begin run, stand up the run around. Una creep how they train una do am very well. Una get a lot of potential them. We don't share una material them. We don't help for proliferate the technology for the bombs. We will continue for do them. We will continue for supply bullets and bombs for other groups them, as well as we carry our own things them. And some people don't want see videos them as well. But we will continue for the operate the way we operate and for support other groups them as well. Now the main thing that we mother force they're supposed to do them. We would also want to thank our forces them for the brigade where they will take the action. For instance, Tarinkunde, where they key to La Republic du Cameroon, their military from Tarinkun. We want to congratulate them. Now the only way that for our freedom, for neutralize this Egyptian, the way they do work and destroy our country, intimidate our people them, terrorize our people them, rape our people them. Now the only solution that. We also want to thank the General No Mercy for instance Biame, for instance the great state of Bui, for the wonderful job they do and for instance Jakiri. We go to focus for Jakiri small time, like we run focus for Womb. General Commander talk and do for Womb. They do a marvelous job. They are welcome me give you VIP treatment for inside Womb. Last time I come out, I call the people for Womb. Say for country son, they mean all man if she don't close shop for sure the war say they for independent. And surely they did. I will play the video because the one mommy where he send me video. The mommy say, Capo Daniel, why you no publish my video? So mommy na video this I put another for prime time. Make all na see for Womb for our national TV. Na video then this way what mommy send one as mommy send for me for inside Womb day. Make her bring the video. Make mommy to see and say a video then show a video too. So all man be very happy for Womb. Have all man come out she done for a house. It show the world say all man for Womb one independent. So na video that for Womb. All manner she done for house, all thing them pack. Motor they done pack, no bench skin no dey for road. All shop them wanna see, all shop then they close. Na shop then that for inside Womb. All shop then be shut down for Womb because we na able Deputy Defense Chief and our General for ground talk and do with the transitional authority that do a wonderful job. Work for shop by shop for educate people them for the need for demonstrate through this ghost town. Say we want outright independence, we want complete freedom from La Republique du Cameroon, and we'll be happy with the reception where the Rangian for we for Womb. Our operation and now the video go in where the population then be aware, they will know the protocol them when the fighting will go on for Womb. So the one call, we want also salute General Moses for Benakuma and all the people forces the way they for inside Menchum. Say na time for action. Make all man put hand together. Make we collaborate for fight and eliminate, remove La Republique du Cameroon. All those they are post the way they ramp put them for along the roadway they go to take carriage that side of baffle them. We need to move them all. Now very very good opportunity them. Again a message that they see come from ground zero. Now very very good opportunity them for we. We also want to thank our forces them for inside Oku for Bush Rambo in picking them where they eliminate 2 La Republique du Cameroon, their terrorist forces them for Oku. And Bazuna the win would win very fatly. Also for inside the attack for inside behind here, where 2 La Republique du Cameroon they be injured. I think one them they will surely cut that one in foot from the images all they get time. When we publish those images them, unfortunately, 2 of them be injured. So be very very happy. We want to congratulate our people them for the wonderful job they do them. More and more bullets that they enter. We want to thank Dr. Cho Ayaba and all of our donors. One thank in particular our people of America, where they make sure we get this national TV for ground zero, will be open for all talents them. We call on our people, they may then continue to contact the technical team of the ACN for provide materials them and content them for our struggle. All activism be allowed, real activism be allowed for send their material free. They'll publish them free for our national TV. So, but I want to talk for our Mamide for Bamenda again. So, despite this picking the way they come out and begin the do this small work, rough work for Bamenda, may we not forgive them because when they alive, all man they alive. people there in their life, the excess is where the boy they do am. They don't really get that training like ADF soldier that we will try our best. We will try our best. So when I don't fit talk say people there they don't die, when I suffer past people they don't die. No. All we suffer. Even for country like Nigeria, where they get peace, they get problems them with insecurity them, and then they try not to justify anything. But I don't want those type of show and I say, me or people then be patient. Why we go to handle the people there for why we'll give time for A4, Ahaji and Commander Tiger for Bafut me they handle the picking them. Me they need the camp from when they can begin disrupt people them. We don't talk say if we not ready one begin disrupt people, we go disrupt francophone them. If na the thing that we want do, why we not go begin do one for them? Why we do another for our own people them? When arrive see like the Republic du Cameroon, their own military mistakenly key a francophone. When arrive say I mean, never happen. So why una own to una no fit mistakenly pick up na their own people them? Why una no fit do another way? So, ladies and gentlemen, my fellow Ambazonians, we go to intensify our operation them. We want thank our people them way. We then give you the intelligence. We shut down La République du Cameroon, their regional election, their planning session will be there for inside Bamenda. They be for do one for inside Ayaba Hotel. We shut them down. We be done publish the name for the chiefs them where they be call them in come for day. We'll be very happy. I want to thank them. Say they no become that the name for the fund and this way they be called them in come for day. They no become for day maybe not because of the insecurity. I want me to know say this palaver na serious palaver, nothing way no go stop. Any man will go betray Ambazonian, they go arrest you, it no go be like before. And you go face the law of the land. A words to a wise is sufficient. Play no day for the one, play in no day. We mean business. So ladies and gentlemen, I will just talk again for the people of Ntaseng, for Mubang, and for Ntaseng for Bamenda say I don't handle the palaver for that soldier the way they can misbehave for day. Me all man una day, una quiet, una continue for live una life. Me no man no make mistake, say they una want make protest during time for war. The way una take and talk for me correct. Una don't give me all the evidence them. I don't talk for the soldier them directly. I don't also talk for public so that make the whole public know say nothing will they address them. No be to be acceptable. So some people then the way that leak audio them for La Republique, I go play them. The more important thing na say would I expose them and the no so would I expose them. The international community know. Even it don't force the Switzerland, the Canadian ambassador for can't talk about for can't try to defend the whole scheme. So we will release them, we will take our time for release them. Fear not. Ambazonia will win, we will be independent. We will need to make the primary investment for enable we for defeat La République du Cameroon on the ground. And me gonna stop for follow these stupid people the way they set una up, say me gonna go attack ADF. This foolish, jobless church rat them where they don't take Ambazonia struggle for begin make their money, for begin fool na. Me gonna can attack boy the way they fight for una freedom. The same way they be fool na me gonna go kill General Ivor. The same way they don't manipulate una. Una need for stop all for listening for all those people them, all those bagger them. Now people the way they not get no credibility. Now people the way they know the reason. They need to work now for Ambazonia interests. So we don't come to the end of our show. For people that watch me for ACN, a rebroadcast for our leader, Dr. Cho Ayaba, his speech. It will continue to play after this program. And my program will be replayed again later on. I will bring on more updates. When I hear from the leader himself, the diplomatic effort that they go on, the engagement that they go on, our forces, they need to collaborate for ground zero. We need to strengthen ourselves. One more thing I think I need to address them before I go. Now the Connie audio with Dr. John Bakoro, he dancing of outside. John Bakoro done send out an audio for outside who I want to address the audio. For inside that audio, it talk say, it don't send that audio for soldier them. Many of the ADF soldiers they don't send me this audio from John Bakoro.
My dear country people them for Southern Cameroons. If I find time now go for womb, for mention, this video may go reach. And I decide for you that this country talk because I know I make some man talk say no be here for La Republic land. Because the fear for bring am for village say they go capture it, they go talk say make it way things that they go. I don't really mention the one way they on the territory.
Anyway, because of lack of time, I know we play all the audio. But basically, John Bakoro the talk say there is a problem because say soldier they take money for multiple people them. So it want justify say me soldier then come under some structure. I don't know which type of structure they talk about. But it's sometimes things in the way they sound good, but way not really be good at the end. John Bakoro na a powerful leader with the support the consortium, with the collaborate with the consortium, but I know one corny. When I remember say anytime we negotiation do one come, John Bakoro they can talk. Say he need to support armed conflict, he need to support violence, he need to support fighting. So why he talk about fighting now? If he need to support fighting, he don't want the violence. Why he talk about that now? We no one corny. No begin send this type of message for our soldier them. Because it cause confusion. The problem no be say people that they send money for soldier them. As support me people that they send money for soldier them. ADF no fit handle all thing. With the focus of provide them gun, bullets, bombs. Sometimes then they were money for chop, it need to be enough. We no fit handle all thing. So I encourage John Bakoro and all group them, me they no begin pretend say they need to support violence because they fear la republic or whatever. I don't know which way they want them. But me they continue for do them, but me they need to interfere. If they really want support soldier then for operation, they need to respect the hierarchy. When are not supposed to contact ADF soldier them, when no una soldier them, they know they honor on a hierarchy for talk about operations. When I talk for them on a patriotic basis, when I do and so with respect for their hierarchy. And if you come off here, also that they talk with me. I they contact them sometime with respect of their hierarchy. And if you come out to give order for soldier the way they not be under the ADF. If I want to get my need to talk with them, I give them as advisory. The problem that always be people there they give money for soldier that they want to use that money like influence. We don't see them hide the cause confusion for ground zero. We no want that kind of confusion. ADF soldier they no be just appear foreigner from sky. They want to try to dilute our leadership for ground zero. ADF their structure will come out for diaspora. Sheikh Kavi, Benedict Kwa, then go for ground zero, then do the hard job. Set up camps, train the boys, arm them, give the pioneers for inspire the whole nation for rise up block by block, neighborhood by neighborhood. It did not happen by chance. It did not happen by chance. So if anybody, any group wants donate for help the people them and the soldier, wanna help them, but make wanna stop for interfere with our command chain or for transmit instruction for soldier the way no wanna soldiers. We wanna stop them. I no one conny. I no one confusion. John Bakoro be that talk say you need to support violence, you need to support war. Make na time for war, me the leader the way they lead for war, me then lead their soldier them. We no one conny. God bless you now. Have a good night. Ciao.